Here I have Jaecoo 5, and on this example let me show you how to reset factory display and brightness settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings icon. Then you've got access to all list of settings. On the left menu, let's choose here the display. Then you need to scroll down and here we've got the reset. So this button instantly wipes out all personalized visual changes, theme choices and manual brightness overrides. Checking it restores the entire display configuration back to its original factory default values. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish this operation, let's tap reset. This will reset all options in the display settings. Please do not power off the vehicle during this process. This operation cannot be undone. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset. Alright, so that's it. You just successfully reset all display settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.